Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an entire cell a checkbox in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select a cell, then go to the developer menu. Now I am select the insert option and select the checkbox. Then draw the checkbox, press and hold the Alt on our keyboard and draw the cell. Now click inside the checkbox and delete the text. Click and drag on our mouse to select the text and delete this. Now I am select this checkbox and press Ctrl and copy this. Press Alt on our keyboard. Press and hold the Ctrl to copy the checkbox in entire column. Now we want to add the check mark. Select this checkbox and edit the check mark. Otherwise you can remove this. Now we can see we make an entire cell checkbox in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.